Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another speed test video, and this time it is the Redmi Note 3 fighting against the Meizu's M1 Note, and this Meizu M1 Note is no slouch. Keep that in mind. It has got MediaTek's MT6752 processor clocked at 1.7 GHz, and both the devices have got 2 GB of RAM. The Redmi Note 3 is having Snapdragon 650 chipset, so it is definitely the more powerful of the two. But let's find out which is the best in opening apps first and doing multitasking as well as internet browsing. I've connected both the devices to the same Wi-Fi network. The Play Store has been completely updated, so all apps are running to their latest versions, and both the devices are running Android Lollipop, so a fair game here, and no power saving mode is on either of them. So that being said, let's start off with our first test, that is the app opening speed test. So let's start off with some inbuilt applications, and then we will move on to the third-party apps. So let's open Dialer. It was almost the same time for both the devices. Let's open messaging application, and again, as you can see, it was almost the same time, the Redmi being a little faster, and this time while opening the calendar app, the Meizu was slightly faster, but the difference was negligible even while opening the clock application and even while opening the calculator apps. So inbuilt applications, it was almost the same time for both the devices. Now we are opening Amazon application, and clearly the Redmi Note 3 was ahead while opening this app. Let's open Flipkart. And again, as you can see, the Redmi Note 3 is the clear winner while opening Flipkart. Let's open Facebook. Again, while opening Facebook, the Redmi Note 3 was ahead. Twitter, once again the Redmi Note 3. WhatsApp, again the Redmi Note 3, but the Meizu M1 Note is not far behind. It is slightly slower than the Redmi Note 3, and this is all due to the very powerful Snapdragon 650 in the Redmi Note 3. So a really nice performance from Snapdragon 650. Gmail, Play Store. So as you can see, almost each and every application, the Redmi Note 3 is ahead in opening it up. So, but I'm sure the results will not be the same in the test that we are going to do ahead, and they are going to be much different from what we have seen in this app opening speed test. And now we are opening Subway Surfers, and this is a game. And again, as you can see, the Redmi Note 3 was the clear winner. So this round goes to the Redmi Note 3. Now let's do another test, that is the multitasking speed test. In this round, I expect the game to turn in the favor of the Meizu M1 Note. So let's see how both the devices perform. So we are opening Twitter first, and there's no reload on the M1 Note, while the Redmi Note 3 took its own time to show it up. So even while opening WhatsApp, there was no reload with the M1 Note, but the Redmi Note 3 reloaded it. So let's open a few more apps that we opened previously. So even while opening Google Maps, the story is the same. So clearly this round, the Redmi Note 3 is lagging far behind the Meizu M1 Note, with not even a single application showing up without reloading. That is a really poor performance from the Xiaomi Redmi Note 3, and I would never want a device which will open all the applications really very quick, but it could not open any application without reloading while doing multitasking. So that is really sad, and I'm not at all happy with the multitasking performance of Xiaomi devices. It is the same story with all the Xiaomi devices. So that was our multitasking speed test. Now let's move on to the internet browsing speed test. So I'm clearing the browsing history of both the devices in order to be fair and honest, and this test, our final test, that is the internet browsing speed test, will determine the overall winner of the speed test between the Redmi Note 3 and the Meizu M1 Note. So we are going to open gsmarena.com on both the devices and open a few links. So keep an eye on the top blue bar to know which device actually loaded the whole website first. So let's open gsmarena.com on both of them together. I'll zoom in a little so that you can see it clearly. So Both the devices loaded this website at the exact same time. Let's open another link. And even this one was a tie. So let's open one more. And this time it is the Meizu M1 Note which loaded the website first. And this time it is the Redmi Note 3. So 1-all for both the devices. Let's open one more. And same time once again. Let's open one more. And again, as you can see, it was a tie. Let's open another one. Again, same time. And this time it is the Redmi Note 3, which was the first to load it up. So once again, same time. Let's open another link. And the Redmi did not register my touch properly, so I'll open another one. And same time once again. And let's open one last link. And this time it is the Meizu M1 Note. So this was our internet browsing speed test. The first round, that is the app opening speed test round, was completely dominated by the Redmi Note 3, but even the Meizu M1 Note performed really well in that round. It could match up the speed of the Redmi Note 3, but it could not outperform the Redmi Note 3, so the first round goes to the Redmi Note 3. Talking about the second round, it was a disaster for the Redmi Note 3, and the Meizu M1 Note completely dominated that round, so the winner of the multitasking round was the Meizu M1 Note. And our last and final round, that is the internet browsing speed test round, was a tie between both the devices. So the overall result of this speed and multitasking test is a tie. Make sure to check out the description of this video for more such interesting speed tests. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Let me know your views in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.